So here we are back in one of my favourite cities in the world, Bordeaux, and my favourite city in France, back at this historic monument. And I'd like to introduce you to Gerald, who is our local agent here for Bordeaux, works out of our Bordeaux office. So Gerald, we're going to look at an apartment and a beautiful house, but can you tell me a bit about the location where they're situated here?
Okay, so the location here is Place du Palais. It's just in front of the Porte de Caillou here in Bordeaux.
Yeah.
And today we're going to be visiting an exquisite apartment here, which is actually just facing the Place du Palais.
So amazing location.
It's a fantastic location.
Yeah,
to be
and
honest.
I noticed you've got lovely little cafes and bars and shops and stores. Really, really nice location. So what sort of size apartment is it that we're going to see?
So the apartment is a 160 metre squared apartment.
Wow.
It's got 3 bedrooms.
Yeah.
And if I told you there was an apartment here in Place du Palais with a hammam and a sauna, you probably wouldn't believe me, but...
Is that what we're going to see?
So yes, we're going to see a property today,
Wow.
which actually got its sauna and stuff, so
Fantastic.
I'm excited to show it off.
Yeah, well, let's get straight over there.
Okay.
So we were lucky enough to have a brief chat with the owner before we came in, who's explained quite a lot of things, but I had no idea it was going to be as brilliant as this. I mean, this is huge. How big is it?
This room is actually 65 metres squared.
Wow.
And also, you've got a little Juliet balcony here.
Oh, let's have a look. So this is great. So this overlooks where we started off with the beautiful gate, the Porte Caillou.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
And all the little restaurants and cafes. So you could just literally sit here with your glass of wine in the evening, overlooking, watching people go by. How fabulous. So it's been, as the owner said, it's been completely renovated. So you've got beautiful, look at the height of these doors. And he said the ceilings are about just under 4 metres high.
Just under 4 metres high, the ceilings are.
Wow.
The apartment actually was completely renovated, Joanna, in 2019. So obviously we've got all the high-spec technology here. It's like full of different gadgets and stuff. As you can see, we can have a look around and discover some of the...
And you were saying something about this up here in the ceiling. What's that for?
Yeah, so basically that's we've got a projector here, an electric projector that's going to come down from the ceiling.
Wow.
And here we're going to have about 3 metre long screen here where we can
watch movies
and relax.
This giant room, super fireplace, beautiful marble. And so these are the speakers in the wall that you were talking about, the Dali speakers, which I think is a Danish system.
Yeah, so that's right, Joanna. These are high quality Danish speakers and are installed actually, very eloquently within the walls and in the ceiling as well of the property.
It's a superb sound. Yeah, and this I presume is the heating. So we've got the Carrez heating system, which is blended in nicely with the colours, which I love, all the lovely beiges. So it's very, very high tech. And what's this? Is this where he was talking about a television or something?
Yeah, so here we've got obviously a little television set, which is well hidden away here. So
no, not that little.
Well, that's right.
Yeah. Superb. And this, I believe, can possibly stay as well.
Yeah, it's about convenience and it's using the storage and stuff of the...
And what I love is that it's really modern gadgets, modern furniture, but the backdrop is so contemporary. Because apparently it used to be one house. He was telling us it used to be one big house and it's been converted, architecturally designed, into this huge space, which is absolutely beautiful. So you've got the old with the new.
That's exactly true, yeah.
Right.
So we've got, as we say, we've got the large open living space here.
Yeah.
And as we say, it's spacious with the high ceilings and high windows.
And the lovely corner aspect there into that beautiful square. Well, the first thing I noticed, other than this is an extremely high-end, high-quality kitchen, is the beautiful flooring. And this is what I love about the apartment. You've got the great limestone walls and the original cement tile flooring, which is really common in Bordeaux.
Yeah, that's
very
true.
Typical in Bordeaux apartments. So what can you tell me about this?
Well, Joanna, this is a very high quality kitchen. It's from the market Miele.
Okay, fabulous coffee machine built in, which I love.
Yep. So this kitchen was installed in 2019. Very, very high quality kitchen, to be honest with you. And I think it did cost around €70,000 for this kitchen. You've got really high quality. You've got the coffee machine built in here. Also, back to the technology and
the gadgets.
The gadget part of this house. We've got simply an extractor fan here.
Yeah. Let's have a go. No, that's superb, because that's usually in a kitchen that would be the thing that you don't want to see. So it's absolutely perfect that it goes away. And I have seen these systems before where it actually takes all of the smells and everything, and it goes outside. Through the tunnelling in the apartment, which means you get no smells whatsoever.
Fantastic.
As this is all open plan. What a great gadget! And what I've also noticed, which I know the owner was telling us earlier, the beautiful ceilings that look like light wells with light sort of pouring through from the roof, but it's not the roof. It's an apartment above. It's just brilliant technology again with the lighting. So is that the system over there?
So basically in this apartment we've got a lighting system, which we can, it's fitted for all over the house. We can use this system to dim the lights, to make the place more brighter, just depending on the time of the day, the atmosphere you're trying to create. But we've got a fantastic system here.
Wow.
Dims the lights in the kitchen. You can do the same in the living room.
And even change colour as well, I think he was talking.
You can change the colours, create the atmosphere you're looking for.
Fabulous. So where should we go to next?
Well, we can start over here. This is one of the 3 bedrooms in the apartment.
Wow, that's the first thing I noticed is the floor. So we've got a glass floor. Beautiful. Looking through into the downstairs bedroom.
So we've got a glass floor here, and basically it's just to help with the light projection, to keep the place bright and airy, and it helps. There's light coming in through the window. It just helps to generate natural light throughout all the rooms in the house. But also with this, you can actually close it over as well.
So you have privacy for the downstairs as well. So in the evening you could close that off. That is fabulous. I love that floor. So I notice here again we've got more gadgets on the wall. So what's this? Is this for the curtains, the blinds?
Basically that's just we've got an electric curtains here, and basically so that can just come down. We can close the curtains here with this.
You've got privacy everywhere. And I notice even on the upstairs on the mezzanine there they have the same, another blind system coming down there. So what's this? Is this another cinema that comes down?
Well, this is a little hidden feature we've got here in the room. So basically, being in Bordeaux city centre, you may have some friends who want to come over and visit. So actually, I'll just show you this. Conveniently, we've got.
Oh wow! It's like a drop down bed. Now I've only ever seen those in Paris.
So there we go.
That's fabulous, and it's huge.
So conveniently, we've got it's a 1.8 metre drop down bed. It's a.
And then of course, as this is used for the children, it can go away and they can use it as a playroom in the day.
Yep, exactly.
That's absolutely, I want one of those at my house. It's absolutely fabulous. And so ideal to keep the space as well. So you've got loads of space without it and you don't even know it's there. Fabulous. And how easy is it to put back up?
Well, simply. So the bed has no weight.
So this is currently used as a children's room with a little mezzanine and the beds upstairs there. And this again, I presume would be for the guests in this room, would be their ensuite. And this is beautiful resin bath. That would have been handmade. It's a lovely, stunning feature. And the shower. So this is the second bedroom.
So here we've got the second bedroom. So I'll just show you around. Here we've got your shower area. Okay. We've got some nice storage space here. Little study area here as well, and you've also got your mezzanine here.
For the bedroom, which is fabulous. And I notice again they've got these fabulous the lighting system, which is they look like light wells with natural light coming through. So this would make a lovely office or a guest room or whatever, really, couldn't it? It's a really good use of space. So now can we go and see the master bedroom?
Yes, let's have a look down at the master bedroom.
Let's have a look. Wow, this is fabulous.
Absolutely fantastic.
Oh my goodness, you've got a beautiful courtyard out there. And again, you've got the blinds everywhere for privacy. So this was the light well that obviously has blinds for privacy as well. And what's in here? A sauna. This is the sauna and hammam.
So this is what I was what we were talking about before. So yep, we've got a beautiful a sauna hammam here in the bedroom. Could you imagine the convenience?
Fabulous.
It's really a bedroom of luxury.
And a jacuzzi. We've got jets in there as well.
So yeah, this is we've got here a beautiful jacuzzi. So complete relaxation.
Lovely stone tiles here as well. I mean, this is beautifully decorated. So much style. I love the sinks. It really is a gorgeous apartment. Really is lovely. And how often do you get a sauna in your master suite?
It's very rare. Yeah, it's very rare to have this this sauna in your own bedroom.
And the great thing is, it's all newly renovated, really, only in the last couple of few years. So everything's new.
Newly renovated. Also, you know, we've got here very easy to work, very easy to use, very easy to maintain.
I love the fact it says hammam. You can have relax, you can have energy, and you can have colour therapy cycles and colours. How wonderful is that?
It's just what you need being in the city centre to come back to.
Feel like you're in your own spa.
Yeah, it's your own spa.
It's a fabulous place. What I really love about this apartment is the architectural design. I mean, you've got storage everywhere, you've got glass everywhere, so there's so much light coming in from all directions. But it's the mix of keeping the beautiful old limestone walls, which is so typical of Bordeaux. I mean, this probably is one of the nicest apartments I've seen in Bordeaux. The architecture's fantastic. It's a real mix of contemporary with old, and it's superbly decorated and so much light, because a lot of these apartments are very dark, and this is just full of light. Really superbly done. So should we?
Yeah, let's head back upstairs.
Up to the salon. Well, Gerald, I've certainly loved this apartment. I mean, there's so many great things about it. The location, probably one of the best locations you could have in the middle of Bordeaux, next to the Porta Quay. What's your favourite parts?
Well, obviously, of course, Joanna, just beside the Place du Palais, it's a fantastic location for me. But I must say, if I have to be honest, I think the hammam and the sauna in the bedroom is absolutely...
Yeah, that is very, very unique. And of course, the technology. The technology and all the gadgets in this apartment are superb. And it just is. It's a historical building, and it has been completely transformed with keeping the architecture of the old building and the contemporary style of the new world. It's absolutely superb. So if you'd like any more information on this apartment, you can contact Gerald through our website. You can see the links here. The links to our website, which will give you all the information, are below or to the side or above. But do contact Gerald, and you'd be happy to show everyone around.
Yes, it will be my pleasure.
It'll be Gerald's pleasure, and we're actually lucky enough to be going off to see another one of Gerald's properties in Bordeaux this afternoon. So until we meet again, see you soon.
See you, bye.